What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to reseal an ARB canopy window, or any automotive glass really, but in this case it was just an ARB canopy on the back of my Holden Colorado. First things first, we need to remove the window. Now mine was only held on by a little string attached at the bottom and was basically about to fall off. Next we're going to remove the old seal or silicone, lay the glass on something soft like a towel, or in this case the matting that is on top of my toolbox. Spray the glass with window cleaner as a lubricant. Using a Stanley blade scraper, remove the old seal. This is extremely satisfying to watch. Using the same scraper, carefully remove the remaining seal. Now clean down the glass multiple times to ensure a good sealing surface. Now clean down the canopy frame. There won't be much, or if any, sealant there at all, so just give it a good wipe over, ready to reseal. Also, don't forget to clean the sliding glass while you're at it, since some of the glass is actually behind the fixed section we're about to reinstall. Now get yourself some good masking tape and set aside 5 strips. This is used to help hold the position of the glass while the Sikaflex sets. Time to go get your Sikaflex from the fridge, because that is where it should be kept to stay fresh and make sure it lasts. Now we insert the Sikaflex tube into the caulking gun, ready to run a bead around the window frame. Time to run a bead of Sikaflex around the window frame. I pressed a little closer to the little lip to ensure it's sealed, because the glass does not actually recess into it, it sits on top. This just helps to ensure that it seals correctly. I also tried to run this bead in one continuous run, because I didn't want to have any gaps at all that could allow any water through the seal again. Okay, now let's reinstall this glass. As you can see, I am carefully placing the glass towards the front edge of the canopy and slowly pressing it down and lining it up with the top and bottom edges. Right now I am just centering it, and I am just pressing on it ever so slightly just to help it seal against the Sikaflex. Pressing all the way around just to be sure. Now we just take the masking tape that we prepared earlier, press against the glass and then pull up over the top of the canopy. This just helps to hold the weight of the glass and to make sure that it doesn't shift. I'm using 3 pieces of masking tape at the top, and I'll be using 2 at the bottom. Now if you're a little fussy, you can use some prep wash, or otherwise known as wax and grease remover, and soak it in a cloth. You can then run this across the Sikaflex just to help neaten it up a little bit as demonstrated. I didn't do the whole lot here because I'm not too worried, but this at least shows you how you can neaten it up. And that is how you reinstall or reseal the glass on your ARB canopy window, or any other canopy window, or any automotive glass. Don't forget to clean your tools using wax and grease remover, put away your Sikaflex back into the fridge, and put away your tools even if you parked a little too close to the cabinet where they belong. Thank you very much for watching.